Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specially for you, so let's start. A warm welcome to all my viewers. I'm glad you're all here. So guys, welcome to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite comfort. Get comfy because this video about to begin. A big hello to my amazing audience. Today we are talking about corner shelf design with wooden ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing videos like this one. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for your love on my last video. Today's video is going to be super exciting, so stay tuned till the end. Let's jump straight into today's topic. Before we begin, make sure to give this video on a big thumbs up. You guys have been asking for this video and it's finally here. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't never miss any upload. Alright, without wasting any more time, so let's start it. In today's video, I will show you the most beautiful, latest and trendy collection of corner shelf designs in different styles, color combination and sizes. Wood art is from natural wood. It brings beauty to any space. Wood has a warm and earthy feel. Artists shape wood into amazing designs. Wooden art can be small or big. Some pieces is unique. Now two wood grains are the same. That makes every art piece of special. Wood marks need patience and curve. Artists spend hours in one space. They smooth the wood sandpaper, then they cut the shape. It designs are curved with love. Some arts had deep meaning, others are just for decorations. Wooden frames look elegant. Wall hanging made of wood are popular. Wooden lamps create a cozy lights. Table and chairs can be artwork. To many people love wood sculpture. Animal shapes are common. Flowers and trees are also carved. Dear children, wooden art is not just decor, it's a piece of art. So guys, if you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you want to more home interior designs and wooden art designs and wooden crafts, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing wooden crafts ideas at your home. So guys, all the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful, and I'm sure you will get amazing corner shelf designs in different styles, color combination and sizes in this video. Thank you so much for your love and your support, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Please guys, watch this video till the end. If you are new to here, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing videos like this one. Thank you so much for your support and your love, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification.